Google Meet, Google Doc, Google Sheets, make it stop. You don't need to know it, we gon' bring it to you, show it, cause it's T-E-C-H-T-I-P. Get ready, are you ready, cause it's Tech Tip Tuesday.
T-E-C-H-T-I-P, hey, give it to 'em, give it Tech Tip Tuesday. T-E-C-H-T-I-P, hey, give it to 'em, give it Tech Tip Tuesday.
Hey Bulldogs, Mrs. Smith here with a cool tech tip for you. So did you know that your Chromebook can talk to you? It could read text for you. You're going to click down here where you see the time, and you're going to go to accessibility, and right here you're going to click on select to speak. And then what you're going to do is find an article or a document, whatever it is that you're reading. Right now I have the history of women at NASA. Fun fact, many moons ago, I wanted to be an astronaut and I even attended space camp. So we have this article open and I'm going to highlight the first paragraph here. And then you're going to press the search key. Then you press S and it will speak to you.
The United States government created NASA in 1958. Women have always been an important part of NASA, but for many years after its creation.
Who knew your Chromebook could read to you? Hey Bulldogs, Mrs. Smith here with your Tech Tip Tuesday. So I am in Zoom right now and I am going to show you how you could change your backgrounds so you don't know that I am sitting in my dining room now next to one of my Christmas trees we put up a little early. So I am going to show you. All you do is go up here to Zoom and click on Preferences. When you're on Preferences, you have a bunch of different options here, but you're going to go to Virtual Backgrounds. And you see there are a bunch of different virtual backgrounds that you can choose from that are already installed for you. The first time that you utilize these, you will have to download them, but you'll never have to do that again afterwards. So let's say I'm going on a business meeting. I don't want to look like I'm in outer space, or I'm going on an interview. You know, I'm not hanging out by the Golden Gate Bridge. So you could upload your own image of where you'd like to be. So I want to be outside of Brackman. So I'm going to upload a picture, add image, and locate where you save that image and go to open. And then it loads in here and it'll save for you. So right now you see I'm outside of Brackman Middle School, but those words are backwards. So you're just going to flip the screen right here where it says mirror my video. You're going to deselect that. And now you see here we are at Brackman Middle School. So that is a quick, easy way that you could change your virtual background without needing a green screen. Hey Bulldogs, Mrs. Smith here, not with the Tech Tip Tuesday, but with a Thankful Tuesday challenge. So I have this challenge for you. I want you to identify at least 3 things that you are thankful for and why. You're going to type them up in a Google Doc and name your Google Doc Thankful Tuesday and then your first and last name. Utilizing 2 of my previous tech tips, I want you to add a little more flair to your document. Add-ons. Then you are going to share your Google Doc with me at smith@barnegatschools.com. You must submit all of your Google Docs by 11:30 a.m. tomorrow, Wednesday, November 25th, in order to be entered in my raffle at the end of the day, where the winner will win a Dunkin' Donuts gift card. So be sure to submit your Google Doc to me by 11:30 a.m. Remember, there is always something to be thankful for, and I am so thankful for our Brackman community, our students, parents, and staff who are always supporting us in doing things the Bulldog way. Happy Thanksgiving. I hope everyone has a safe holiday.